So it's Saturday the 24th. Just a little video of the motorcycle. Starting in the rear, that's that rear sprocket that I put on that changed the gearing. You can see the gold scallops, real actual gold leaf scallops in the tank, or in the fender. We've got the Karata 4-inch belt drive, 121 TP motor. It's got all NASI components. It's got pretty cool little fittings on the oil lines. It's all anodized. There's the fuel tank, the independent tank with the gold leaf scallops in there. Moving over to the front, you can see the rake. It's about 14 over on the front end, but it's got the red nick front end on it. I've got custom made rotors for it. It's got the PM front brake caliper, Joker machine velocity stack on it. It's got a custom exhaust on it, and just kind of showing you the different parts of the bike.